Good morning. This is the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing, Sunday, July 9th. Impact map, our next 3 days, almost carbon copy of strong gusty winds, low humidity in southern areas today, Monday, and Tuesday. The most critical areas south of this dashed line, which indicates where fuels are most critically dry, but we could have at least some smaller fire starts north of there, so some isolated showers in the north, where they did have some isolated lightning and light precipitation over the past 24 hours. New fire starts in the red, recent fires in the yellow, so activity this past week has been picking up. Let's go back here to precipitation. Not only has it been bone dry the past 7 days across many areas in the geographic area, but also in central and southern areas the past 14 days. Only areas that did receive significant precipitation up here in the higher terrain of central Idaho and western Wyoming. The severe fire danger mapping index here, which is a combination of the ERC and the burning index, shows very high indices here across parts of Utah and Nevada, high to moderately high further northwards into the Great Basin. And looking at some of our fuel conditions ERC-wise, here in the southern Sierra, where there has been some fire activity recently, things have been picking up quite a bit. The gray line here is normal, exceeds normal here in the Fish Lake, not too far from record levels, and near or above normal here in the Arizona Strip as well. So things are finally drying out. Live fuel moistures here across parts of Utah, southern Nevada, and the Arizona Strip, all at or below the critical 150 level, but still above normal for this time of year. Now, the water vapor imagery, this copper tannish shade, shows the dry air mass over the region. The high pressure building in with high heat. Today should be the hottest and driest day of the week, and there is a high pressure building in with a dry air mass. Here is our areas of high risk here in the orange. Quite a big swath across southern Utah and parts of southern Nevada. The wind speeds here on the left, and you can see the lower humidity here, single digits to low teens in many southern and central areas. Also temperature-wise, from 99 degrees in Salt Lake to 97 in Reno, low to mid-90s in southern Idaho, and 112 down in the Vegas area. High pressure still in control here, just shifts a bit further eastwards. Maybe we'll see 1 or 2 degrees of slight cooling, but still the high risk here on the right-hand side, still the low humidities, expanding areas of gusty winds here in the orange and purple, gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour. Similar day with this zone flow and this dry air mass pushing in on Tuesday. Haven't issued high risk for that just yet. You'll see what happens the next 2 days. The winds drop off a little bit, more like 20 to 30 miles per hour, but still critically dry with the low humidities. Not much precipitation the next 3 days. Going into the middle of the week, high pressure shifts further south, but we continue this west-southwest gradient of breezy conditions. And as we go into the end of the week, you see high pressure building in across the western Great Basin, California, near record heat across western areas of the Great Basin, and near or above normal across the eastern portion. You can see how many PSAs have turned brown in that time. No precip of significance the next 7 days. The monsoon still near or south of the Arizona-Mexico border, so not much relief seen there. Not much in the 8 to 14. The outlook still drier than normal going into the third week and starting the fourth week of July with above normal temperatures. This concludes our briefing. Have a great day.